Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to get blur effect on your picture by Picsart application on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Picsart application. If you have no Picsart, just visit your app library or app store to install it. Now you just need to go click it to open it, and here is the law. To create a new project, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to go click see all and start to pick the picture that you want to edit. And now let's try to edit this picture. I would like to make a blur effect for this picture. To make it a blur effect, you just need to take a look on this bottom features right here. There will be an effect, so you just need to go click it. And after that, there will be several sections too for the effects. And since we want to make it blur, you just need to jump into the blur sections right here. And now you can start choosing the blur effects that you want to have. There will be an original or just general blur. There will be also a facial zoom, so you can also adjusting the part that you want to make it focus with. You can also got the radial blur too. You can adjusting where you want to have right or clear part. There will be also a pixelized and many more. So here I will like to do with the radial blur, and let's just adjusting the brush by click this effects again, and you can adjusting the blur intensity. You can make it like super blurry or less blurry. I would like to make it super blurry, and I would like to make the face part look clear, so I would like to focus on the eye. And after that, you just need to go click apply to apply the editing, and here is the result. So that's the way how to get the blur effect on a Picsart. I hope this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.